Good morning, team. I hope you're all doing well. Oh, what a view. What a view. Last night was rough, wasn't it? That was some serious wind. Now, it's not very often that I get sort of on edge by the weather. I had visions of things being ripped off the roof. It was that strong. I'm sure one of my wheels came up at one point. Because when I pulled up to the top, I parked side onto it, and then there was a big gust, and I lifted off the chair. It was that strong. So this is where I ended up parking, bottom of the car park behind this bank, and that seemed to help it a little bit. Well, I didn't die, so it's a good start. Yeah, so we're getting a visitor, or a couple of visitors in a bit, so that should be interesting. Cool van to look at. Might just move up to the other end of the car park though, so that when they come, we can get some cool pictures and stuff, because it's a bit crap down here. It's a cool van though. I think you'll like it. A lot of you will have seen it already anyway. But I think from this point onwards, I mean, I've been doing it anyway, but you know, just distancing myself from anything. I didn't really need to go to the shop yesterday. It saved me the hassle of being worried about drinking water. I'm still a bit of a noob with the whole water gathering thing. But yeah, I'm sure the confidence will come. I'll just boil it all. You know, if it takes me 2 hours to flipping sort the tanks out, then so be it. Because the problem is as well, if they do put this country on the same kind of lockdown as everywhere else, they're not going to want people randomly driving about. So at that point, it needs to be further north where it's a bit more remote, so that we still have the freedom to, you know, do what we want to do. Van isolation will work as long as you can actually leave the van. Like, you know, just walk around outside or go collect firewood and collect water and all of these things. Because if you actually get locked down in the van, then it's going to be pretty grim. I think going to the shops from here on out is a no-go unless it's an absolute emergency. It's 50-50 with me. Like I say, I'd rather not catch the illness if I can help it, because I don't know if I would have complications or not. You know, it's a gamble, isn't it? 50-50 gamble. But also, you know, obviously I don't want to risk infecting anybody else. I might even have it now and not know about it. So that's why I was very cautious in the supermarket yesterday. You know, I washed my hands before I left the van, so touching the trolley, if there was germs on it already, it was somebody else's. I didn't finger food, so anything that I wanted, I picked up the one I wanted, put it straight in the trolley, so to not risk contaminating, you know, other things. And then yeah, when I got back to the van, opened the door, got a wipe, wiped the trolley handle with a antiviral wipe, put that back, and then cleaned everything. So, you know, I'm doing the best I can. Like like I say, there's only so much you can do, isn't there? The best thing you can do is remove yourself, because no matter how germ conscious you are, you're always going to make a mistake. It would be a silly thing, you know. One thing I will say, if you like me and you have one of these, or if you like everyone in the world and you have one of these, you want to be disinfecting this daily, because this is like the ultimate germ taxi into your living space. So I definitely recommend doing that. I don't have many wipes left. This is what I've been using. They're antibacterial wipes, but they kill 99% of bacteria and viruses. So I've got them for now. When they run out, I'm going to have to make my own with some bleach, which I've got. Just bleach and cloth, I guess, really, and just reuse it. When Marie gets up here, because obviously she's been, you know, down there, she's been going about her day-to-day life kind of thing, so she will have been exposed to this. So it'll be, when she gets up here, it'll kind of be a reset again. So we will sort of clean everything down, all of that, keep cleaning everything down, and then it's going to be like a 2-week sort of, you know, chill, don't do anything, don't go anywhere, to make sure that we are both okay. And then after that, we can relax a little bit, because we're going to be off wherever, and we're not going to be going to shops and not going to be going to other stuff like that. Then I can forget about it almost. Well, not forget about it, but, you know, not be as concerned about it, and then just get on with our lives really. Try and not let it rule us. Yeah, that's better. Sort of see what's going on now. The wind's already worse, just moving from there to here. Oh, I see a van in the distance. Look at that thing. Never thought I'd see it on the road. Alright folks, so yeah, just been hanging out with Mark and Spunky as well. Got a couple of new stickers for the wall. Just come back to mine now because I need to do the video. So I'll get that out of the way and then, yeah, go have a little film of this. Probably not going to film loads on here today because, you know, I'm not the kind of person that likes to shove the camera in people's faces all day, so it's just how it is, I'm afraid. But yeah, good to meet him finally. Never thought I'd see that van on the road. It's been doing it for flipping ages. I think you're going to enjoy the look around it though. It's very, very well done. Probably later in the week, I imagine. Obviously, it's time to go on the Wall of Fame. Where should we go? Under Road Pro? I think so. Running out of space on here. Look at that professional transparent sticker. Is that straight? I think it is. Has to have the biggest, look at that. Even bigger than Road Pro. And we got his mate Spunky as well. He gets a place on the wall too. Both sound. There we go. There you go lads. You've made it to the wall. That's it now. There's not much of a video going to be coming out of this. I've literally just got tonight's one on at 7:15. Yeah, I barely filmed anything. Yeah, they're still here, so I'm going to go say hello now. I just wanted to make sure I got this video on in time, as always. I did schedule this one for the right day, so that's good. But yeah, I hope you're all doing well and not letting this whole thing get to you too much. I'll be much happier once the team is back up here and we go disappear into a forest or whatever somewhere and just vanish, basically. Obviously I won't be vanishing from here, don't worry. I'll still be giving you my shitty little updates. I'm looking forward to getting the squad back together and basically just ride this thing out and see what happens, really, because ultimately nobody knows, do they? I do need to sort my garage out and process a load of that firewood. So I know it's firewood again, great. Sorry, but you know, it's a video every day, what can I do? I either film what I'm doing or I don't. Yeah, my garage at the current moment in time is an absolute shithole. It's been a weird day. I've sort of been in limbo land all day, not really knowing what to do with myself. Alright, let's get busy. There we go folks. Processed. That'll do. Sorry, it's just a short video today. Just been enjoying the company of people, making new friends. Yeah, had a few drinks, a little bit wavy right now. So I'm gonna end the video here. No idea what's happening tomorrow, as always, but I'm sure we'll figure it out. So I'll see you all then. Catch you in a bit.